Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Monzo to PayPal. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the simple process on how to send money from Monzo to PayPal, the first thing to do is to log into your PayPal account. Then from there, you have to tap on the wallet at the bottom or the top menu. Then after that, you have to link your Monzo debit card. So to do this, tap link a card and enter your Monzo debit card details, which involves the card number, the expiry date, the CVV. Then tap link card. Then after that, PayPal, you have to confirm your card if needed. So PayPal will send a small charge to your Monzo app. Then open the Monzo app, then find the charge and enter the 4-digit code in the PayPal. Then after that, make the payment using PayPal. And after that, now when you pay with PayPal, you have to put the money directly from your Monzo debit card, and that's how you can simply send money from Monzo to PayPal. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.